This is the tough reality of rural Japan. Looks like such a beautiful place. There was an onsen, they have some outdoor baths and stuff, and it's not quite abandoned, but it's not open. It's completely shut down. So it's probably like a recent thing. We are in the middle of nowhere, and yeah, I can't imagine too many people making their way up here. It's very high in the mountains and very windy roads. What an absolute shame. So this whole area that we're at, this river runs all up through the mountains, and then all along beside the river there's actually some beautiful outdoor baths. But unfortunately you can't take photos or videos, which is understandable because people are bathing in them.
Oh, careful!
We made it. So we just got to this little foot onsen called Hotaro no Yu. What's Hotaru? God damn. Hotaru no Yu. Hotaru is firefly. Firefly foot onsen. Nestled deep in the mountains. It's nice, eh? Relax your feet in the foot bath. It's one thing I love about Japan. So many onsens, and I really like trying to find the wild onsens in nature, which is also always a fun mission. Okay, so I'll just show you guys, not all toilets in Japan are super advanced robotic ones that wash your butt. Yeah, these ones still exist all around the countryside and in the mountains, but they're actually good for you in the squat position. Really can empty your bowels. No fancy robotic wear to wash your butt though. That's mountain life in rural Japan. Though, you kanji. You looking for a ride?
Yes, please.
Beautiful, isn't it? This is funny. This car is the only car in the car park besides our van, and it looks like it's been left there for years. But the funny thing is, it's covered with a tarp. No one's ever going to drive that again. Look.
What's called moss?
What? Moss.
Moss.
Yeah. Random, eh? Although they've done a really good job at wrapping it. Look, that is a Japanese wrap. Japanese. Hey, look. Japanese gift wrapping. The wrapping's perfect, isn't it? I wonder why they tried to protect it. Look at the tires. Done.
どうするデッドボディ中にあったら
夜の時結構怖いね。
夜じゃないから大丈夫
大丈夫。Wow, beautiful. So all around Japan, we are absolutely blessed to have these what's called suigen, or wakimizu. These water fountains all around in rural areas and pretty much all over Japan. You just have to kind of search them. But this is fresh spring water straight from the source. So it's a perfect opportunity to pull over and fill up our water bottles. I love it. There's a volcano there, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Ah, it's okay.
です。
So the rainy season has just officially started yesterday, I think it was on the news. And that's why it's pretty windy and it's kind of on-off rain today. It's little like rain clouds. So there's some rain clouds going over us, but yeah, we keep getting nice little breaks in the weather and the sun keeps popping out. But yeah, it's very windy. I don't know what the audio sounds like, but the river is pumping. I think it rained a lot last night.
一瞬で負けるよ。スズメに勝てなかったんだから。リメンバー。
You wanna try and fight too?
No,
Try.
no.
Okay.
It's just stupid.
We just made it into a wee village called Hida, which is in Gifu Prefecture. We're currently on our way back home, and we're going to be going through. We started in Nagano, went through Gifu, going through Toyama, then Niigata, and then back to Nagano. We're just doing like a little loop circuit. And this little village has a tiny wee castle, and I thought we'd just have a quick stop and go for a little look. I'd love to share some information about this to you guys, but I have no idea. We read on the sign it says 1868 this house was made. Castle? I don't know. Switch to Lulu Cam and see.
This is a castle. Castle. Yeah, you have to pay.
1200 yen.
No, 200 yen. 200.
200 yen.
And this, it's like a more, not castle. That was castle.
Ah, I see.
So 16世紀末、武田信玄、1670s,
1670.
like late 16?
Yeah.
Nice. なんていうの
Yeah, let's just stick to like DIY and like nature stuff.
難しい。さくらが多分こっちに行けば、ルルもこっち見るから。
You can see the castle now?
Yeah! ルル Yeah! ルル見えたキャッスル
Size of that. Big cookie.
No. It's ね、クモの巣。
Ah, go. Abure, chashu,
玉ねぎ
negi,
マヨ丼。
huge.
終わりましたらあちらの飛脚棚お願いします。
Wow. What's this called?
ザル中華。
Charu chuka. Cold ramen. Teishoku.
うまっ。